Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the FIFA World Cup 2026 trophy. So let's get started. To draw this World Cup trophy, let's first start by drawing a big curve, just as if we're drawing a circle. So I'm just going to start about right here. And if you're not comfortable drawing this circle, you can definitely find something to trace the top of. And so I'm just going to go ahead and draw this as if I'm drawing a circle, nice and round. Big round curve, and bring it back to the other side at the same level. So something like that, and bring this down a little bit more right there so that we're at the same level. And now that we have this curve, we're going to go ahead and come right about here and just pop out a little curve on both sides. And then we're just going to aim down. And as we come down, we're going to aim down and come in. So I'm just going to wobble a little bit here and there, just to try to mimic the organic shape of this trophy. And then we're just going to keep going. I'm not going to make it really straight. Just keep that in mind. Just kind of wobble a tiny bit. And we're just going to get thinner and thinner. And let's say a little bit more. I'm trying to cut out all the unnecessary details and just make it a little bit easier to draw. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit more even. And then let's say about right there, now that you kind of have this shape, I'm going to go in a little bit thinner and then kind of straighten out. So just a little bit and then start to straighten out. Then from there, we're going to come out. We're just going to start to come and draw the base. So come out, pop this out. And about right there, we're going to bring it down. You can wobble a little bit if you want. And about right here, just kind of bring it in. Say about right there. So we want it at the same level. Bring this down a little bit more, and then we're going to connect it with a straight line across. There. As long as we have the general shape in, that's good enough to know that this is the FIFA World Cup trophy, right, for 2026. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, I'm going to use this point right here as my guide, and we're going to draw this curve coming in. So this is a hand. So we're just going to come down to say about right here. So bring this down and in to about that point. And then we're going to come out and draw a head, the head shape. So we're just going to come to a line and then just draw this kind of ovalish shape. And then bring it down there. And then we're going to draw the other hand. So we're just going to curve up. And let's say about right here in this area, we're going to draw a thumb. And then the fingers. And then we're going to bring it down. Just kind of wobble so it's not too stiff a little bit. And then we're going to bring this down. So this is the body. And then we're going to curve it out to about right in this area. Curve and just kind of taper. I guess we can connect it right about there. And then for more details, let's come right about here. We're going to complete this arm. So about right here. You know what, I think I'm going to make this shape a little bit more there, round. Okay, sorry. And then let's start right here. We're going to chest area, and then we're going to come down. This is the legs to about right here, and then we're going to sweep it in right about here. So this is kind of like the knee, and then kind of just imagining this is the chest, and about here is where the legs would kind of start. So approximate, bring down this line to the knee area, and just kind of curve out, and then the other side. And just kind of taper it in. There. So hopefully I've captured the shape correctly. And sorry I keep messing with this, I know. Just bugging me to create a correct shape here for the head. And then right about here is where we're going to connect the curve back to this point right here. So where the hand is, just curve, oops, and connect. There. So then for some more details, let's come about right here. And we're just going to lightly draw in some of these lines to give our trophy some texture. Maybe a small, shorter one right here. And then I think we need the bottom. So let's come back down to the bottom, and I'm going to draw a straight line first, following my bottom line. Right there, and then we're going to draw a band. So on this curve, I'm just going to make it slightly curved up towards the center, just slightly, and then bring it down, just like the other side. There, just to give our trophy some curve, so it's not so flat. And then we need to draw another curve. So let's say about another band. So let's say about right here. We're going to curve this one as well, just very lightly, and then another one to create our two bands at the bottom. There. Okay, so hopefully that gives it a little bit more volume. And then at the bottom here, we can go ahead and draw some lines as well. So maybe one here, one going there. There. Okay, then of course at the top here in this globe, we need to draw kind of like the shape to make it look like a map. So I'll start right here, and I'm just gonna try to follow the original, but it doesn't have to be exact, of course. So just kind of wobble here and there. Then we're gonna go up here, come down. Then just put in this little shape for some land. And then maybe a little island piece right there. And then here, of course. And another piece right here. I'm just going to make mine kind of like a heart shape. There. Let's see if anyone notices that's supposed to be a heart. And I'm just going to leave it like this without putting too much more detail. So hopefully that wasn't too hard, and we've captured the trophy's general design. And so now that we have this, we need to go ahead, and I'm going to write the word FIFA at the bottom of this trophy. So I'm going to start, say, about right here. I'll start with a F. So I'll just try my best to follow the same font. So there's a slight slant here, and a slight slant, and down. Okay, so we have the F, and then we need to put, I'm going to put in the A first. So I'm going to go across. I want to make sure it's straight across, and about right here, kind of underneath, I'm going to draw the top of my A. So right at flush to the trophy. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw two angle lines right here. I'm going to end at the same level as my F. So by doing this, it just makes it a little bit easier to have everything nice and even for my other letters. So go ahead and go straight across. And put in this little triangle right in here. Okay, so now I have the F, A. We need to draw the I. So I'm going to come right next to my F here. And just try to match this width, approximate. And then, of course, another F. So let's say about right here. I'll start. And then fill it in this space where my A, next to my A. There. So hopefully that was able to help you make it a little bit more even to write the letters. So now that we have that, if you want to continue and draw the logo, the 2 and the 6, let's start over here. So I'm going to say about right here, kind of following logo. I'm going to say about right here where the globe is. I'm going to come out next to it and I'll just give myself a point, approximately about right there. And I'm going to use that as my guide and draw a straight line across, right about there. Then I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So I'm drawing the 2. Draw a curve right about here. And then I just want to kind of see where I'm going. I'm going to aim towards stopping about right here. So I'll give myself a point. And I'm going to bring this curve down. And I'm going to go straight down. To about right here and go across. There. Okay, so now that I have that shape, I'm going to go up. We're going to curve. And we're going to find our center. So the center of this globe, I'm going to go up and say about this much. Kind of the same amount of distance I gave to this 2 right about here and here. So using that as my guide, I'm going to draw this curve and aim for that point and go straight across as well. So I need to bring this across. Sorry if it's so sketchy. So about right there. And then we're going to come around and I'm going to come back to kind of like where this neck and this head is. I'll say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point next to the trophy, right about where the head is. And go ahead and draw this curve. To about right there. Then once again, we're going to come out. And when we come out, it's going to end at flush to that curve, whatever curve you made. And then come straight down. And we're going to go across. And connect. There. So hopefully I was able to help you. I know it is kind of tricky, but just give yourself these points. And so now we need to draw the 6. So let's skip a little bit of space and right about here, I'm just going to draw a line across right in the center. Draw these 2 lines. Then we're going to start once again, bring down a curve just like the 2. And we're going to come down to the same. And then go straight down just like the 2. And we want to come around. So I'm going to find my center again. And once again, just like the top, about the same amount of space. Say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and then create this curve to come back down to draw a straight line that's going to hit this point and go across. So then to make it look like a 6, it's right about here. We're going to curve and end and flush. So let's say about the same amount of space again, like right here. I'm gonna say about right here. Give myself a point. Just trying to match that, and I'm gonna curve down, coming flush with my 2 right here, and go right across. Then from there, come out again, and this curve is going to be flush, and we just want to bring it and connect it back to here. So hopefully you're using a pencil so that you can make any adjustments. There. Because I definitely need to fix some of my lines, my angles. So now we have our 2 and our 6, and that is pretty much it. So I'll color this all in black and then color the logo as well on the computer, and hopefully that will help you to draw this awesome FIFA 2026 World Cup trophy and logo. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you today, and if I did, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.